It's Wednesday. It's midday, and you've got to watch this. You have to watch this. So I'm down here, Ulbaldi. There we go. And this is Ruth. I haven't seen Ruth for 2 weeks because she's been busy. And Tata has been looking after the store.
Yeah, Tata is going to anywhere.
You go to the market?
165.
Oh.
300.
So if you're in Albalde, come to Ruth. She has beautiful fruit. Beautiful store.
300.
There we go. Now we're going to see Brian. Where's Brian?
Brian is
Asleep?
sleeping.
Sleeping.
Very tired. No customer.
Oh, I go get some rice. I'm going to buy some rice.
Yeah.
Good to see you.
Oh, just wake up.
I will. Good to see you, Ruth.
Yeah, bye. Thank you.
So this is really, really nice. I come down here. Where is Brian? Where is Brian?
Hello, sir.
Hey, Brian, how are you?
Fine.
Where is the dog?
Right there.
Oh, you're gonna bite my ass, huh? Okay, I'm gonna have some rice, Koya.
Which one?
This one?
How many kilo?
1.
1 kilo only.
Oh, yeah. And then this one? 1 kilo. Is that okay?
Yes.
So this one, Grace turned around and said the only difference was the bag. So I'm gonna try this today. I'm gonna cook the rice. Oh my god, cell phone. Hello, ma'am. How are you? Where is the cell phone, man? There we go. You have not lost your cell phone.
I thought I've lost it.
No, 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 no.
I'm selling something. I wanna buy.
What are you buying, ma'am?
I'm selling chili garlic sauce.
Oh no, I no good for chili, ma'am. No, chili make me go to the toilet. What do you? How much is this?
That's 150 pesos.
Oh, okay. Wait there, ma'am.
Thank you.
Wait there, ma'am. Wait.
Are you going to buy? No, thank you.
Here we go, ma'am. Here's 100.
Oh, thank you so
No,
much.
no. Here's 100.
No, I'm going to give you something.
Okay.
Just buy it 150, okay?
Here we go. I'll give you 100, ma'am. There we go. What is your name?
Angel.
Angel is selling chili. Look at this.
This is for 150 pesos.
150 peso.
Yes,
And this, look at this lady is selling this, okay? So I'm just going to help her out, and I'm going to buy half a jar, but give her the jar back.
No.
Yes, ma'am. Please.
No,
You are on YouTube. You are on YouTube. There we go, ma'am. You are on YouTube. There we go, YouTube.
You don't want this?
No, it's okay. You bet.
Okay, thank you.
Huh?
Thank you.
You subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Oh, what's your
You. Wait there.
channel?
Wait there, Brian. So here we are. Ulbalde. This young lady here sells good chili. This man is selling slippers, but I don't want slippers. Thank you, Brian.
Welcome.
See you later. There we go, guys. Antoinette has cooked lunch again. Very, very nice. Ming Ming has turned up down below. And now I have some fresh rice. I bought some rice today. I'm going to try that tomorrow or the next day with Annie. So that's enough rice, darling. Yeah. Oh, see? Look, there's Ming Ming. Ming Ming now running backwards and forwards. Antoinette has done the rice. Look at that. She went out today. That's a big surprise for me. A big surprise, because she doesn't normally go out. She usually hugs her pillow. So she must be feeling better today. Or she went out to find some food.
Yeah.
Food, see? Okay. So we're going to have Grace, and we're going to have our beautiful lunch. Take care, guys. It's on the balcony in Belisario on Monday at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Take care. I am sitting in Chickinan. Chickinan. So, do not use this seat over here. Somebody can sit here. Nobody can sit here. Condiments here. There's some people in the back over here. After 105 days, I'm sitting down, eating out in Davao City. This is just... I didn't think I would get such a thrill. This is in Abrizamal. So 2 years ago, or 3 years ago when I first came here, this is the restaurant that I used to come to regular. And I always come here regular. I cannot get a beer, because the liquor ban. But, Chickinan, you can sit inside. Yes, yes. So these people are going to have money. These people are going to get paid. Yes, which means the shops will become busy. So I've ordered my barbecue chicken. Oh. Hello, Mom. How are you? Social distancing. Look, social distancing. Oh. Anyway, I'm going to have my iced tea and my Coke Zero. Hey guys, look. Christmas is being advertised. The chicken and Christmas. Christmas. Chicken. There we go, Seafood Island, Aguta, or Golden Curry. It's deadly quiet here. This is Wednesday, 2 o'clock. Matter. At Little Nam on My Road is getting ready to open tomorrow. And what can I say about that? Yes! Yes! Is what I can say. Okay? After 105 days, Little Nam is opening. That's good. They need some tables though to put my fat ass on. There we go. But we still don't have any beer. No beer. Sarah Duterte, you need to authorize beer in restaurants, not for parties. I like San Miguel with my Vietnamese food. Okay, I have another shout out. This lady's a lovely lady. 105 days and we've missed her. And here we have Baba Boy and we have Randy. And Randy is getting ready to open on the 25th. Which is next Wednesday. There's Randy, he's getting ready. And what do we say to that, guys? Yes! Yes! Davao is coming back to life, Koya. Back to life. There we go. Baba Boy and Little Nam are opening. What can we say? Don't know about this one. There we go. So here on my the places that I have eaten and the places I have vlogged are opening. Lovely. That's what I can say. See you tomorrow. Okay? No takeout. Dine in. Yeah, 1 meter. Very good. Like. There we go, see? Thank you very much. See you tomorrow. Oh, that's great, guys. It's really, it's getting back and getting out and being able to eat out and socialize with Annie rather than being in lockdown, rather than being in the apartment all the time. It's really nice. So tomorrow, let's get out and have a look. And I'm really happy. Really happy at seeing what's going on. Yeah, see? But my roads at 3 o'clock on a Wednesday, peak of the week, is crammed full of traffic. It's gone gaga again. It's gone gaga. Yeah, you just have to accept that we are in this pandemic of COVID-19 and we are in lockdown. We are GCQ until the 30th. Look at that. There we go. They don't want to speak to me. They don't want to speak to me. COVID-19. Oh, here we go.
Yes.
So here we go. Walking up my road. We have the fun boy freezer out. We have the guys all doing what they have to do. But as I said, traffic is crazy. People are queuing. Bikes want to run me off the road. Food Panda are still doing their business. It's amazing how many trucks have these little stickers that are made up on a Xerox machine saying food delivery, bookstore delivery. How is a bookstore an essential item? Food delivery is essential. Books? I don't understand that. Schools aren't open, but people just come up with these great ways. Anyway, so we're coming up here to Mercury Drug where those two girls are, and I'm going to go there and get some ice cream because I need to get some ice cream. But as you can see, my road, 2 days after the announcement of going GCQ or continue GCQ until, hello mom, how are you? Until the 30th of June. But I'm going to go, hey Koya, I'm going to go and get some ice cream in Mercury Drug.